automotive domain specific example of embedded system. The automotive domain is another area where embedded system is extensively used. So inner workings of automotive embedded systems. See, if you consider a car, airbag control unit, seat control, mirror control, power windows control, power steering, air conditioner, engine control, fan control, fuel injection control, headlamp control, ABS control, wiper control. All these controls are implemented using a embedded systems. Automotive embedded system are the one where electronics take control over the mechanical systems. The presence of automotive embedded system in a vehicle varies from simple mirror and wiper controls to complex airbag controller and anti-lock brake systems, ABS. Automotive embedded systems are normally built around microcontrollers or DSPs or hybrid of two, are generally known as electronic control unit, ECU. So ECU is made up of usually microcontrollers or DSPs or hybrid of two. The number of embedded controllers in an ordinary vehicle varies from 20 to 40, whereas a luxury vehicle, Mercedes or BMW 7, may contain 75 to 100 number of embedded controllers. Government regulations on fuel economy, environment factors and emission standard and increasing customer demands on safety, comfort and infotainment forces the automotive manufacturers to opt for sophisticated embedded control units within the vehicle. So, government regulations on fuel economy, environment factors means to reduce the pollutions, emission standards and increasing customer demands on safety, comfort and infotainment forces the automotive manufacturer to opt for sophisticated embedded control units within the vehicle. The first embedded system used in automotive application was the microprocessor based fuel injection system introduced by Volkswagen 1600 in 1968. The various types of electronic control units, ECUs, used in automotive embedded industry can be broadly classified into two: high-speed embedded control units and low-speed embedded control units. High-speed electronic control units are deployed in certain control units requiring fast response. They include fuel injection systems, anti-lock brake systems, engine control, electronic throttle, steering control, transmission control units, and central control units. Low-speed electronics control unit, LECUs. Low-speed electronic control units are deployed in applications where response time is not so critical. They generally are built around low-cost microprocessor, microcontroller and digital signal processor. They are built around low-cost microprocessor or microcontroller and digital DSPs. Audio controllers, passengers and driver door locks, door glass controls, power windows, wiper control, mirror control, seat control systems, headlamp and tail lamp control, sunroof control units are the examples of LECUs. Automotive communication buses. Automotive applications make use of serial buses, check this, serial buses for communication, which greatly reduces the amount of wiring required inside the vehicle. It greatly reduces the amount of wiring required inside a vehicle. Controller Area Network, CAN. The CAN bus was originally proposed by Robert Bosch, pioneer in automotive embedded solution providers. Robert Bosch. It supports medium speed ISO 11519 class B with data rates up to 125 kbps and high speed ISO 11898 Class C with data rates up to 1 Mbps data transfer.